As a magazine, I've read Filmfare since a very young age, and I used to actually sneak in copies of it at home because I wasn't allowed any film magazines at home. And the awards, I remember my dad's got quite a few awards, and every time he used to win one, there used to always be a party outside in my house, and I couldn't sleep. But it's been, I've been associated with Filmfare. I did my first film cover for Savarya with them, and film magazine cover with them, and I've known Jitesh and Anuradha since then. And so it's quite incredible that I've seen the Filmfare family grow. I've seen new people come in, old people go. And I think in the last 5 years that I've been in the industry, the quality and the idealism in the journalism, in the awards has remained intact. And I think that's fantastic. It's, I don't know, I like wearing saris. So, and I like, this is my friend Sheila who's designed this, and I just thought I'd wear a sari. I love it. It's just upon my mood. You like it?
Yes, I did. That's why that
okay, thank you. Up. So thank you so much. I have no idea. I wish I could judge who is going to win the best award or who's going to be nominated and all. But all I can say is that usually because there are so many awards that are happening, I think Filmfare is the one award show that people actually take seriously. So whoever's nominated or whoever wins, that I think that will be the best performance of the year. So I think you should judge what's happening or who's the best this year by the Filmfare Awards as opposed to anything else. Best actor this year, I think it'd be Ranbir in Barfi. I really liked him in that film. I think he was the best in it. Among the women, I think Kahani came this year, right? So I think Vidya. So hopefully this year also she take the award and go away.
I'm hoping we can do something different, but if I tell you what we have in store, then you won't watch us on television. We working on a few. Also, we'd like to celebrate the spirit of 100 years and encapsulate all that. You know, the joie, the love of the movies, the tragedy, the romance. We're trying to get all of that into a capsule at the Filmfare Awards. So we're keeping our fingers crossed.
I'm just going to go out with my family. I know it's like very done, but that's the only place which is close enough where we could coordinate our timings and go for 3 days. So I'm just going there. I think we'll go to Bamra's and have dinner or something like that. Nothing fancy at all. Oh my God, I'm doing 4 films. I'm doing Milkha, Ranjana, Khoobsurat, and one untitled film with YRF. Doing quite a bit. My plate is quite full. It's a lot of work. And the more I speak about it, the more stressed I get. I'm basically working with Smile Foundation. It's a foundation that basically does a lot for education of children and for empowerment of women. And with my friend Pernia Qureshi, we are using her website as a platform to auction off 50 pieces of my wardrobe. And I'm going to give 100% of that proceeds to Smile Foundation to educate at least 300 children this year. Honestly speaking, I'm trying to get a day off to come for Jitesh. The only award show that I've ever attended has been Filmfare. I don't usually attend award shows, and I think the first one I attended was Filmfare, and hopefully this year I'll get some time off to come and attend it.
Okay, and considering that it's 100th year of
that's 100 years of cinema, Filmfare represents cinema.
Yeah. I think I think Filmfare has been around for a really, really long time, and knowing the kind, I mean, I come from a film family, so celebrating 100 years in this industry is absolutely fantastic, and I think Filmfare will do a great job in representing Bollywood in a very beautiful way, and the Bollywood through the years in a very beautiful way.